In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw a Bode plot in MATLAB Simulink. Now, the first thing you want to do inside MATLAB, you want to open up your Simulink and you want to actually create a blank model, okay? Now, whenever you do this, it's going to open up like this, and then from here, you can basically add whichever blocks you want. So I'm just going to do a example over here, which is going to be very simple. I'm going to open up the library browser, and then the first thing I'm going to search for is going to be a step. So I'm going to type that in. Let me actually find the step. There we go. There it is. That's going to be our first one. Then I'm going to actually select the path. So I'm going to select transfer function. There we go, like this, and I should be able to find it in a few seconds. So let me just go ahead and actually, there we go, transfer function like this. And the third one is going to be out1. So I'm just going to take out1 over here. There we go. I'm just going to take this one, and let's say that's okay. Okay. I'm going to also change this a bit. So I'm going to double click on this transfer function block over here, and I'm going to change these to, for example, 1 to 1. I'm going to click apply. Okay. Make it a bit bigger so we can see it. There we go. And now I'm going to connect these like that. There we go. Of course, you can do whatever you want here. I'm just showing you this as an example, basically, so we can see how to do this. Now, the second thing you have to do here is basically save this model. So you want to go to up top where it says save. Click on save, and then here you have to give it a name. So I'm just going to name this one, let's just name this one 123, okay? And make sure it's actually saved inside MATLAB. So usually it's inside documents, and then you have MATLAB over here, and then in here is where you should save these. So I have one in here already. I'm going to click on 123. There we go, and as you can see, it says it's actually an invalid one, so I'm actually just going to rename this to my model. There we go, and I'm going to just replace this one. Okay, and yes. Now, whenever you do that, you've successfully saved it. You can exit Simulink, and we're going to continue in here, right over here, as you can see inside our command window in MATLAB. So the first thing you then have to do is actually do this command over here. I'm going to show you right now, so I'm going to paste it in, sys equals linearize, and then you have to basically type in the name. So the name of my one is my model. Of course, you can do whatever you want. And whenever you do that, press enter on your keyboard just like this. And when it actually starts blinking again, you can go ahead and type in Bode. Okay, if I do it like this, there we go. I'm going to click on it and press enter, and there we go. It's going to pop something up, and this is now our Bode diagram over here. Okay, so that's basically how easy it is to draw it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.